Bobby from Edna has a question about airflow.
Well, his AC is working, but Bobby writes, it seems like it has trouble with airflow, especially in all the rooms. It's 2.5 ton, covering 1,200 square feet of house. And the AC guy said some rooms will be better than others, but all our rooms, the airflow is really sad. The air is cold, but the flow is low. So I checked for leaks in the ducts, but could not find any. Tom, what's your advice for Bobby?
Almost sound like a Dr. Seuss thing.
It did.
Sad and low and slow and all that. Okay. Anyway, it's not working right. So your air conditioning contractor can say it's working right, but then it doesn't work right. Okay.
Yeah, you're in perfect health, except for...
yeah. So what I would tell you is get someone who can fix your ductwork, because it's a ductwork problem. You have plenty of tonnage, 2.5 tons, 1,200 square feet. That's more than you need. And it's just a matter of redoing the ductwork, maybe having to redo it all, maybe just adding a few dampers. I don't know, but if you get someone out, say Rick from Absolute Comfort Air can do a static air pressure test. They can rebalance it. They can troubleshoot it. It's not as simple as just saying, "Ooh, put some duct tape on this little leak here and it'll be fine." You've got a duct design problem.
And I will tell you, once you doctor your ducts,
good enough,
you will be amazed at the difference it makes. Even around here at the office, when they updated our ducts, it wasn't so much cooler, but it was more comfortable.
Absolutely, because all the rooms are the same temperature, within a degree or two. It's not going to be perfect.
Except for my office, because for some reason
there's a lot of hot air in there.
Hey, send us your questions, boys and girls. We'll answer them right here. Check out our videos over here and subscribe to our channel, please.